Good morning, children. Today, in this class, I am going to explain about rise of Hitler in Germany and how the ruling of Hitler in Germany. Okay, in the previous class, we had discussed about the rise of Nazism and the rise of fascism in the Germany and Italy respectively, and we had discussed about how Germany faced the economic depression between the years from 1929 to 1939. Okay, now let us see how the Hitler ruled the Germany. Okay, rise of Hitler. Rise of Hitler in Germany. In 1928, the Nazi party got only 2.7% of votes in Reichstag, and in 1932, it got 37% of votes in the Reichstag. Here, Reichstag means the lower house of Germany. Okay. In this Reichstag, in the year 1928, it got only 2.7%, and it became as a minor party in the country. In the 1932, it became as the largest party in the country. About 37% of votes the Nazi party got in the Reichstag in the year 1932. Okay, these are the topics we had discussed in the previous class. Okay, now let us see, after getting the power in the Germany by Hitler passed the one famous act in 1933, that is the Enabling Act. Okay, Enabling Act. Okay, this is the major rise of Hitler in Germany. Okay, this is the ruling or dictatorship. This is the start of the dictatorship of Hitler in the Germany. Okay, he introduced and he passed the Enabling Act on 3rd March 1933. On 3rd March 1933, he passed the Enabling Act in Germany. According to this act, all the economical conditions, all the judiciary department and media were got controlled by the Hitler. Okay, this Enabling Act provide the power to the Hitler to control all the sectors in the country. Okay, and it disabling the parliament's rule. It disabling the parliament's rule in the country, and this act created the powers to the Hitler, like control of media, control of judiciary, and control of economic systems or economic sector. Okay, all the powers got to Hitler by the passing of Enabling Act in 1933. Okay, this is about the Enabling Act. Okay, now let us see. After passing the Enabling Act, Hitler started the police sector called Gestapo. He started the security system called Gestapo. Okay, Gestapo is nothing but a police sector. Police sector in the Germany was started by Hitler. Hitler started the security system called Gestapo. Gestapo is nothing but a police service sector in Germany. Okay, it had several wings. In this Gestapo, the previous policemen were also joined. Previously policemen were also joined in this Gestapo, and it formed as Gestapo. In this Gestapo, there are 4 types of wings are there. That are the secret service system, secret service system. The protection squad, criminal police, and the security services. Security services. These are the wings that are in Gestapo. Gestapo is nothing but a police sector. It is a police sector was created by Hitler or started by Hitler. It was a police sector. So in this Gestapo is nothing but a police sector which was started by Hitler. Okay. In this sector there are four types of wings are there. That are the secret service system, the protection squad, the criminal police, and security services. These are the four wings which are in the Gestapo. Okay, this Gestapo had some powers in the country. Okay, now let us see about the powers that are related to Gestapo, and the activities done by Gestapo were very cruel. By means of people, they had done so many cruel activities belonging to the people. Okay, now let us see. Gestapo had a power. The policemen in the Gestapo can arrest anyone in the people without warrant. Without warrant, arrest people without any warrant. Without warrant. This is the major power had given to the Gestapo in the country. Okay, with this power, this Gestapo policeman, by the shadow of this power, the Gestapo policeman had tortured the people into sending into the torture chambers. Okay, they can arrest and they can detain the people into the torture chambers, and they had tortured the people in the torture chambers. With this power, they created lot of destruction among people. Okay, the people who are against the Nazi party, those would be suppressed by Gestapo in the country. Okay, like other political parties and minority Germans like Jews and the German activists, the persons who are against the Nazi party, those are all suppressed by the help of this Gestapo. Okay, this Gestapo has suppressed so many people belongs to Jews. These are the minority people in the Germany, and they had suppressed other political parties in the country, and they had suppressed the activists in the country. Okay, these were the people who were suppressed by the Gestapo. Okay, those were people who were indirectly suppressed by Hitler with the help of Gestapo. Okay, with the help of this power, arrest people without warrant. Okay, with this power, the Gestapo policemen tortured the people, and some of them killed by the Gestapo also. Okay, this is about the Gestapo in Germany. Okay, now let us see about the economic recovery. Economic recovery. Hitler had given the responsibility to recover the economic system in the country to the Zalman Schast. Okay, Hitler had given the economic recovery responsibility. Economic recovery responsibility to Zalman Schast. Okay. To improve the economic recovery, Hitler given the responsibility to develop the economic system in the country. He had given the all powers to the Zalman Schast in the country. Okay, he aimed at the production of. He aimed mainly the production of goods. Okay, he aimed mainly the production. He aimed in the production of goods. Okay, due to this production of goods in the industrial sector, it could provide so much of employment to the people. Okay, it had created the employment to the people. Okay, these production and employment he provided with the help of state funded scheme or state funded program. Okay, he provided the employment with the state funded program. With the help of the state funded program, the Zalman Schast had given employment to the people. Okay, due to this production and due to this employment, the living standards of Germans would be raised. And the people were living with happiness. Okay, due to the increasing levels of living standards in the country, the people were so happy in the country. And after that, due to this program, with the help of this production program, they produced the super highways. Super highways in the country. They produced the super highways, and they produced one more famous thing, that is the people's car Volkswagen. Okay, the people's car Volkswagen. Okay, the economic recovery Hitler had given the responsibility of economic recovery to the Zalman Schast, and he aimed at the production of goods, and he aimed mainly at the production of industrial sector, and due to the production of goods, he had given the employment to the people in the country. Okay, it can provide and it can increase the living standards of Germans. With the help of state funded program, he provided the employment to the people, and with the help of this production and with the help of this program, in the Germany, the super highways were produced, and along with the super highways, the people's car Volkswagen was produced in the country. Okay, along with all these production, Germany was invested much more amount on the production of armaments. Okay, along with all these, Germany invested on armaments. Okay, in the production of armaments also, it provided so much employment to the people. It had provided so much employment to the people. But this employment only provided up to the Second World War broken out. Up to the Second World War, World War II. Till the World War II, the employment was going on in the country Germany. Okay, to get the lost territories in the World War One, Hitler attacked the Poland, and he wanted to get the lost territories in the World War One. To get the lost territories, he attacked the Poland. Okay, this is the major cause of evolution of Second World War. Okay, till the 1939. Till the 1939, this employment was going on in the country Germany. Okay, after the broken out the World War II, it was shut down. It was shut down. This is about the economic recovery in the country by the famous economist called Zalman Schast. Okay, he had provided the employment to the people with the production of goods and the armaments. Okay, in this way, the economic recovery had done, and the economic growth also done in the Germany. Okay. Okay, now let us see what is the immediate cause of Second World War. The immediate cause of Second World War is Hitler invaded the Poland on September 31st, 1939. This was the immediate cause of World War II. Okay, invasion of Poland by Hitler. Okay, to get the lost territories in the World War I, Hitler wanted to do the war, and he wanted to get the lost territories in World War I. That is why he invaded the Poland on 1st September 1939. Okay, this is the major immediate cause for the started of the World War II. This was the major started off the World War II. Okay, under the shadow of this World War II, the Germans and the Nazis are the Gestapo. These were the people. This is the chance to kill all the minority people in the country, and this is the major chance to kill all the minority communities and to kill all the other political parties and to kill all the Polish civilians. Okay, in this shadow of Second World War, the German Gestapo and the Nazis, the people who are belonging to the Nazi party or the people who are following the Nazi rules, they are called as Nazis. Nazis and Gestapo people killed so many civilians and Jews. Okay, now let us see the count of killed people under the shadow of World War. Under the shadow of World War, Hitler killed so many people, that is about, the first one is 6 millions of Jews were killed by Hitler under the shadow of World War II, and he killed about 2 millions of gypsies. Okay, these are the minority communities in the country, and these were the people who were killed by the Gestapo and the Nazis during the Second World War under the shadow of Second World War. Okay, about 10 millions of Polish civilians were killed by the Nazis. And about 70,000 of Germans also killed by the Nazis. Why they killed the Germans? Because these 70,000 people were belongs to the other political parties, activists in the country. Okay, this is the killed count of Nazis in the under the shadow of World War II. Okay, this is about the cruelty of Hitler in the Germany. Okay, in the next class we will see the major causes to evolve the Second World War and what are the impacts of Second World War on the world. Okay, thank you children.